So, good day everyone. I am Rika Maydago, B.Ed 2A student, and today I will be tackled about the evolution of television. So first, what is television? Television is a telecommunication medium for transmitting moving images and sound. And television is a mass medium for advertising, entertainment, news, and sports. The television was invented in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The first practical transmission of moving images over the radio system used mechanical rotating perforated discs to scan scene into time-varying signals that could be reconstructed at a receiver back into approximation of the original image. So now, who invented television? The invention of television occurred across various stages. There were many people who claimed and patented inventing it, but the two persons who are considered as the pillars of invention were John Logie Baird and fellow Tyler Farnsworth. So John Logie Baird is the father of television, and he was a Scottish inventor. And he born on August 13, 1888, and he died on June 14, 1946. And he is known for the invention of mechanical television as well. And he was the first person who demonstrated a working television in 1920s. So, Philo Tyler Farnsworth, who demonstrated the first electronic television on September 7, 1927, and he was done in San Francisco at age of 21. He was the person who made many significant contributions to early development of all electronic television, and he was popular known for his invention in 1927 of the first fully functional all-electronic image pickup device and also the first fully functional and complete all-electronic television system. So, si Philo Tyler Farnsworth ang mas nagpaunlad o nagpalago ng television noong panahong 1927. The impact of television on communication, society, and culture. First, communication. We have mass communication. Television involved rapid whispered dissemination of information, ideas, breaking down geographical barriers, and connecting people across vast distances. So, sa pamamagitan ng television, mas napapabilis o mas napapalawak pa ang pagkalat ng mga impormasyon sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Next, shared experiences. Television created a sense of shared experiences with viewers watching the same news events, sporting events, and entertainment programs, forging a sense of communality. So next, global reach. Television has a global reach, allowing people to experience different cultures, perspective, and news around the world. So, yung television ay may pandaigdigang sakop na lahat ng tao ay nakakapanood ng mga iba't ibang kaganapan na nangyayari sa buong mundo. So, next is society. We have social norms and values. Television has influenced social norms and values, presenting ideals, version in life, shaping perception of beauty, success, and behavior. Next, political discourse. Television has become central platform for political discourse, influencing public opinion sa shaping election. So, yung television ang kauna-unahang nagiging kasangkapan ng mga politiko upang ipakalat ang kanilang mga iba't ibang plataporma para mapanood ito ng maraming tao, para ito yung parang matutulong sa kanila upang botohin sila ng mga tao. So, next, advertising and communalism. Television has been dominant forms in advertising, promoting consumerism and shaping social tide, desires, and trends. So, sa pamamagitan ng television, nagkakaroon ng iba't ibang advertisement. Sa pamamagitan nun, nakikita ito ng maraming tao at doon nagsisimula ang pagkalat ng iba't ibang produkto. So, last is the culture. First, entertainment and popular culture. Televisions became a major source of entertainment, shaping popular culture and influencing music, fashion, and language. So, yung television, dito, isa rin nito sa nagpapakalat ng kultura natin. Dahil sa pamamagitan nito, nakikita ng iba't ibang tao ang iba't ibang kultura na mayroon sa mundo. Sunod, social exchange. Television has facilitated cultural exchange, exposing audiences to different cultures and perspectives. So lastly, as the globalization of culture. Television has contributed to the globalization of culture, spreading trends and ideas across the globe. So, in conclusion, television has profoundly impacted our lives and has transformed how we communicate and how we perceive the world and how we interact with others. While the impact of television is unequaled, it's important to critical analyze influencing the consider of potential downsides, such as promoting stereotypes, fostering communalism, and contributing decline in attention of fans. So, television has came long since humble beginnings, transforming the way we communicate, entertain ourselves, and understanding the world around us. Its enduring legacy lies its ability to connect people, shapes cultures, and influence society profound ways. So that's all. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy this journey through evolution of television. That's all.